My favorite part during making tree animal puzzle is drawing because I did a lot of drawing. I think that my puzzle is so hard to match.
Everyone has a secret, and the secret are these animals.
What's the name of your animal, Samuel?
I can see.
Oh, you can just whisper it. You can Okay, why did you pick this animal?
It's cute.
Only because it's cute?
Because it's small body.
Oh, okay.
Let's look at your picture first. Turn it over so I can see. Oh my gosh. It looks really good. I love that animal. So, can you tell me, where does your animal live?
This animal lives in the forest.
What country?
Many this animal live in China.
In China, yeah. They do live over there. And what does your animal love to eat?
It's bamboo and birds, insects.
Birds? Oh, yes. I think you're right. Why did you choose your animal?
Because I think it's easy.
You thought it was easy?
Yes, very easy.
Very easy. Okay, well, can you tell me some clues, some hint about your animal?
They live in trees and they live in Ecuador.
Ecuador,
There's Guyana,
Guyana, Colombia.
Brazil,
Okay, so are those places cold or hot?
hot.
Yeah. So they live in very warm places. And what does this animal eat? Can you tell me?
They eat birds or mammals
Okay, but
of vertebrates.
oh, vertebrates. Do you know what a vertebrate is?
No.
Okay, well, a vertebrate is an animal that has this backbone, this bone. Okay, that is your backbone. So all animals that have backbones are vertebrates. So this animal has a backbone, a very, very long backbone. Okay, our first clue is between Victor and Alicia. Of course it lives in the forest. Tree animals. What forest? Can you tell her which type of, what forest? Amazon! Dun, dun, dun.
It has very big eyes.
Yes, it has very big eyes. No.
Yeah.
Oh, moon. Moon.
Okay. Oh, there's moon there.
Is that correct? Oh, Andy's our first winner. Half Moon Bear, but Andy, guess what?
I know.
Oh, what's his?
Koala. Because here.
Oh yeah, that's a very good koala face. Very good. So, Hazel's second guess. Very good. Hold on, Victor. Hold on, Victor.
Koala.
So we have two koalas. Very good. Hold on, Shun. You are next. What? What kind of squirrel?
Sloth.
Is it a sloth? Very good, Shihun. Finish the puzzle. What's yours?
Red panda.
Red panda. Very good. Nice. And then what's yours, Alicia? What kind of snake?
Yeah.
Joshua, can you guess what animal it is? Maybe a hamster? Samuel, is it a hamster? No? Oh, Joshua, I think you have to keep guessing. Oh, okay. So, what is it?
Koala.
What type of koala?
Normal koala.
What?
Gray koala.
What?
Great.
Gray koala? Is that right?
Yes.
Say happy tree animals.
Happy animals.
Okay, now say bye-bye. Okay.